Hi guys, so for this video I'm using yarn in size 4 medium and a crochet hook in size 4.25 millimeters. So I'll start by making a slip knot. Now for this stitch we need to chain multiples of 10 since we're working on a round. So I'll start by chaining 70. So now that we've chained 70, we'll make sure that our chain is not twisted. Then on the last chain from a hook, I'll make a slip stitch. This is our foundation chain. Now for row 1, I'll chain 3, then right there through the same chain I'll make 2 double crochet. I'll chain 3, then through the same chain I'll make 3 double crochet. Chain 8, then I'll skip the next 9 chains, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and through this 10th chain I'll make 3 double crochet. I'll chain 3, then through the same chain I'll make 3 double crochet. Again I'll chain 8, then I'll skip the next 9 chains, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and through this 10th chain I'll make 3 double crochet. Then I'll chain 3, then through that same chain I'll make 3 double crochet. So repeat this throughout row 1. Now to finish row 1 I'll chain 8, then right here through this 3rd chain I'll make a slip stitch. So this completes row 1. Now for row 2, through these next 2 chains I'll make a slip stitch. Through this 3 chain loop I'll make a slip stitch. I'll chain 3, then through that same 3 chain loop I'll make 2 double crochet. I'll chain 3, then through that same 3 chain loop I'll make 3 double crochet. Chain 4. Now through this next 3 chain loop I'll make 3 double crochet. Chain 3, then through the same 3 chain loop I'll make 3 double crochet. Chain 4, through this next 3 chain loop I'll make 3 double crochet. I'll chain 3, then through the same 3 chain loop I'll make 3 double crochet. So I'll repeat this throughout row 2. Now to finish row 2 I'll chain 4, then right here through this 3rd chain I'll make a slip stitch. So this completes row 2. Now for row 3, through these next 2 chains I'll make a slip stitch. Through this 3 chain loop I'll make a slip stitch. I'll chain 3, then through that same 3 chain loop I'll make 2 double crochet. I'll chain 3, then through that same 3 chain loop I'll make 3 double crochet. I'll chain 3. Now right here 2 rows below there is 4 chain loop and 8 chain loop. I'll make 1 single crochet. I'll chain 3. Through this next 3 chain loop I'll make 3 double crochet. I'll chain 3. Through that same 3 chain loop I'll make 3 double crochet. Chain 3. 2 rows below I'll make 1 single crochet. I'll chain 3. Then through this next 3 chain loop I'll make 3 double crochet. Chain 3. Through that same 3 chain loop I'll make 3 double crochet. So I'll repeat this throughout row 3. Now to finish row 3 I will chain 3, then right here through this third chain I will make a slip stitch. So this completes row 3. Now for row 4, now for the pattern we repeat these 3 rows. So now for row 4 we repeat row 1. So through these next 2 chains I'll make a slip stitch. I'll just show you at the beginning of row. Then through this 3 chain loop I'll make a slip stitch. I'll chain 3. Then through the same 3 chain loop I'll make 2 double crochet. I'll chain 3. Then through that same 3 chain loop I'll make 3 double crochet. I'll chain 8. Now through this next 3 chain loop right here through the shell I'll make 3 double crochet. I'll chain 3. Then through that same 3 chain loop I'll make 3 double crochet. We repeat this throughout row 4. So you see for row 4 we repeat row 1, for row 5 we repeat row 2, and for row 6 we repeat row 3. So we repeat rows 1 through 3 until our work reaches our desired length. So we repeat this until our work measures like 10.5 inches. So we have 3, 6, 9, 12. So now for row 13 we start to decrease. So right here through this 3 chain loop I'll chain 3. Then through the same 3 chain loop I'll make 2 double crochet. I'll chain 1. Through that same 3 chain loop I'll make 3 double crochet. And then I'll chain 3. Through that same 3 chain loop I'll make 3 double crochet. Through this next shell right there through the 3 chain loop I'll make 3 double crochet. Chain 3, then through that same 3 chain loop I'll make 3 double crochet. Through this next shell right there through a 3 chain loop I'll make 3 double crochet. I'll chain 3, then through the same 3 chain loop I'll make 3 double crochet. Now right here through this next shell right there through the 3 chain loop I'll make 3 double crochet. Chain 3, then through the same 3 chain loop I'll make 3 double crochet. Now right here through his next shell, through a 3 chain loop, I'll make 3 double crochet, chain 3, through that same 3 chain loop, I'll make 3 double crochet, through his next 3 chain loop, right there through the next shell, I'll make 3 double crochet, chain 3, then through that same 3 chain loop, I'll make 3 double crochet, through his next shell, right there through a 3 chain loop, I'll make 3 double crochet, chain 3, then through that same 3 chain loop, I'll make 3 double crochet, through his now to finish row 13, right here through his third chain, I'll make a slip stitch. So this completes row 13. Now for row 14, through his next 2 chains, I'll make a slip stitch. Through his 3 chain loop, I'll make a slip stitch. I'll chain 3, then through that same 3 chain loop, I'll make 2 double crochet. Through his next 3 chain loop, I'll make 3 double crochet. Through the next 3 chain loop, I'll make 3 double crochet. Through his next 3 chain loop, I'll make 3 double crochet. Through his next 3 chain loop, I'll make 3 double crochet. Through his next 3 chain loop, I'll make 3 double crochet. Through his next 3 chain loop, I'll make 3 double crochet. Now to finish row 14, right here through his third chain, I'll make a slip stitch. So this completes row 14. Now for row 15, I'll chain 3. Through his next 2 chains, I'll decrease. Through the next 2 chains, I'll decrease. Through his next 3 chains, I'll decrease. Through the 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 next 3 chains, I'll decrease. And through his last 3 chains, I'll decrease. Now to finish this row, right here through his first double crochet cluster chain. Now to finish this row, right here through his first decrease, I'll make a slip stitch. Now chain 1, I'll lay a medium sized tail, then I'll cut this yarn. Now turn the hat inside out. And close this loop through these chains. It measures 12 inches. 12 inches long and about 9.5 inches wide, but it's also stretchy, so keep that in mind. Like, not too stretchy, but yeah. So this is all for today, guys. I hope you like this video, and thank you so much for watching.